Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today learn AutoCAD Syllabus Part 2. Before learning AutoCAD Syllabus Part 1, 3 chapter learning, and today continue chapter 4, 5th and 6th, 7. So then today learn AutoCAD. Next chapter is AutoCAD Syllabus Part 2. Then chapter 4 is topic is layer management. Layer management point discuss here about first point is discuss about layers and second practice exercise. Layer management is very important AutoCAD syllabus. The chapter 4 is then all discuss point one by one clearly, but today discuss only syllabus. Next chapter is chapter 5th. Chapter 5th is hatching and annotations. Then all point see here hatching and annotations. First point is see here introduction to hatching. Second is isometric drawings. Third point is introduction to dimensions. Fourth point is various dimensions creation and editing methods. Fifth is other commands. Fifth is other commands related to dimensioning. Sixth is ladders. Seventh is point is text annotations, and eighth point is dimension style manager, or ninth point is practice exercise. The all point discuss here today only syllabus learning here one by one discuss here. Discuss next video. Next chapter is chapter 6th, application of blocks and external reference. This point is very important AutoCAD syllabus. The all point see here. First point is introduction to block. Second point dynamics blocks. Third point is introduction to external reference. Fourth point is practice exercise. All points see here. Chapter 6 discuss. Next chapter is chapter 7, layout, plot, publish. All point is see here. Then introduction to layout. What is layout? So what is layout is all discuss one by one next videos. Next today is only syllabus discuss. First point is introduction to layout, and next chapter is chapter finish AutoCAD all 7th chapter. First video is only 3 chapter and second video is only 4th chapter. Or layout, plot or publish is very important in this syllabus, AutoCAD syllabus. Then next video learning and carefully, because AutoCAD 1 basic to advance all point discuss here. Discuss this channel CAD C tutorial. Then today only discuss here. Okay guys, thank you.